ElectraCast.
The world moves fast. Your workday, even faster. Pitching products, drafting reports, analyzing data. Microsoft 365 Copilot is your AI assistant for work. Built into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft 365 apps you use. Helping you quickly write, analyze, create, and summarize. So you can cut through clutter and clear a path to your best work. Learn more at Microsoft.com/M365 Copilot.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for February 18th, 2026.
Madagascar was struck by two powerful tropical cyclones within 2 weeks. Cyclone Fatia made landfall on January 31st along the northwestern coast, displacing thousands. Cyclone Gazani followed on February 10th at Category 3 strength, with winds reaching 200 kilometers per hour after rapidly intensifying over warm waters. Satellite observations from Aqua and Landsat 8 recorded rainfall rates up to 4 centimeters per hour near Tuamasina and widespread flooding around Brickaville and the Rongorongo River. The storms caused dozens of deaths, hundreds of injuries, and damage to more than 27,000 homes, along with severe flooding, power outages, and water shortages. Madagascar typically experiences about 6 cyclones per season, with peak activity from January through March. The NASA Engineering and Safety Center evaluated abnormal grain growth in the metallic liner of a composite overwrap pressure vessel. Engineers used custom metal and composite samples to measure strain amplification and mechanical response, confirming strong agreement with modeling results. Preliminary testing of phase coherence imaging, an ultrasonic technique, showed promise for detecting microstructural changes, though additional development is required. Astronomers identified an extremely faint galaxy known as CDG2 in the Perseus Galaxy cluster approximately 300 million light-years away. The discovery, detailed in the Astrophysical Journal Letters, was led by David Lee and colleagues and marks the first galaxy found solely through its globular star clusters. Observations from the Hubble Space Telescope, Euclid, and the Subaru Telescope confirmed a faint glow around 4 clusters. Although the galaxy shines with the luminosity of about 6 million sun-like stars, roughly 99% of its mass appears to be dark matter. At the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, NASA continues the Artemis II wet dress rehearsal. Teams powered up the core stage and interim cryogenic propulsion stage, began charging Orion's flight batteries at 33 hours and 30 minutes before the simulated launch window, and prepared to load more than 700,000 gallons of liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen into the Space Launch System. Data from the test will be reviewed before setting an official launch date, with March 6th remaining the earliest potential opportunity. On Mars, the Perseverance rover successfully demonstrated Mars Global Localization, a system developed at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory that allows the rover to determine its position within about 10 inches in 2 minutes by comparing surface images with orbital maps. The system reduces navigation drift and enables more autonomous driving, and was demonstrated on February 2, 2026, in the Mala Mala region along the rim of Jezero crater. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station captured nighttime images of fishing boats using bright green lights in the Arabian Sea off India's west coast. The lights attract marine species, and the imagery supports studies of human activity and environmental change. Those were the key activities for NASA on February 18th, 2026.
Subscribe to receive daily updates or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Delilah Sperrazza. Music by Amir Isaleh and Peter Rafelson.
Your Wish is Your Command is being called the greatest success book of all time, with over 100,000 5-star reviews.
I went from 5K on my bank account to 8 million.
My income doubled.
I was able to retire at the age of 31.
It reveals the missing key to the law of attraction. Your Wish is Your Command is now available on Amazon. Search Your Wish is Your Command on Amazon to get your copy today.
ElectraCast.